Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma laid the foundation stone for the new Meghalaya Secretariat in New Shillong, marking a major milestone for the state. The project, symbolizing the expansion of Shillong city, aims to create a hub for growth with designated areas for an administrative city and knowledge city. He dedicated the project to the people of Meghalaya, emphasizing the state's vision for progress and prosperity. During the event, he also launched social sector schemes worth ₹63 crore, benefiting 6,000 individuals through initiatives like CM Elevate, Focus, Green Meghalaya Plus and tourism infrastructure projects.
To be invested in this zone to completely transform Shillong city as we know. And that is the larger vision and the larger goal. And we may not be able to complete all of the directorates and the secretariats fully, all the blocks. But I can assure you that we will make at least one or two of the blocks operational within the next 3 years, to ensure that people are able to see this symbol of the aspiration, the symbol of hope, the symbol of the entire vision that we have for the state of Meghalaya.
Meghalaya marked